Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a look using my Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. Now, I absolutely love this palette. I was so excited when it launched. I just thought the shades were absolutely insane and so wearable, and I couldn't wait to order this. And I literally use it all the time. Now, this is called the Cat's Pajamas palette. So it is the slightly older palette, like there is a new one out now, but this is still one of my ride or die ones. I just love them. So I hope you guys enjoy the look that I created using this palette today. Enjoy! So here we go, you guys. Fresh-faced, ready to greet the day. So I'm just gonna show you guys like how I put on my foundation. And I think I'm getting really good at that intro funny face thing. What do you guys think? So I'm just going in with my wet beauty blender. My beauty blender is from Real Techniques. I love this beauty blender. I love how big it gets when you put it underwater. So in this video, I'm using MAC Cosmetics foundation in the shade NC15. And I'm just creating a flawless base ready to go in with my look for the day. Don't forget the ears. Always say that, never forget the ears. So I'm speeding it up a little bit because I know you guys have seen me do my foundation routine quite a few times now, so you know the drill. Then I'm going in with my Naked Urban Decay Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm also using it as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just putting it all over the lids of my eyes. So I can really make those colors pop. And then I'm just going in with a little bit of my Benefit Highbrow. Sometimes I do this before I do my brows and sometimes I do it after. And then I'm going in with my Ka-Brow, shade 5. I love this. I love it so much. My eyebrows don't budge all day. They never fade. They never go dusty. The color never fades to a weird gray like it does with pencil sometimes. It gives me that gorgeous HD brow effect. And now I'm just going in and doing some light baking. Still using my damp beauty blender that I was using before. It's the same one. And I'm using the Laura Mercier to bake. When I bake, I tend to just do it under my eyes, across my forehead, my hairline, just anywhere that I need extra coverage and staying power. And my nose and my chin for sure. My chin, oh, so hard for me to keep product on my chin. And then I just create a nice chiseled jawline as well with the baking powder. I normally do my contour before I bake. But sometimes when I'm doing a video, I'm just like, oh my god, I gotta do everything right, and I end up getting a little bit under pressure and I forget to do stuff. So there's me going in with my contour now. I'm saying contour differently now, like, because I've watched the Rihanna Vogue tutorial video a couple of times, and I just love the way she says it. She goes, I'm gonna go and contour now. Contour. And that's me blending it. I love this brush. This brush is from Eco Tools, and it is fantastic for blending. That bronzer is the Hoola Bronze in Bronze Goddess. I love that. I'm just going around the hairline, contouring my nose, just snatching it a little bit. Do you guys contour your nose? And I'm doing my under lip as well because I want my lips to look nice and juicy. And I'm just snatching in my nose. And now I'm going in with just a little bit of highlight. This highlight was a little bit darker than I expected. It did blend in ever so slightly with the bronzer. When I'm not tanned and I'm using a paler foundation, everything just looks like a different shade, a different color on me. So because I'm wearing a lighter foundation, everything just looked so dark. But look at me, I'm just pretending like nothing's wrong. And then I'm going in with my lipstick. I am wearing, I'm pretty sure this is Faux by MAC Cosmetics. And here is the star of the show, the Laura Lee Los Angeles Cat's Pajamas palette. Absolutely love this palette. The shades, the packaging, the pigment, everything about it I just love. So that's me going in with my all over base. This is like a nice, it is a little bit white, but I love it. I'm going in with that for my base. And then I'm going in to cut my crease, create some shape on the eyelid. And I'm using Real Techniques blender brush as well. This one is slightly angled, so I find it really helpful for doing cut creases. This shade, though, is absolutely to die for doing a cut crease. It's just the perfect blending shade. It's like when you use your bronzer to do your cut crease. It's the same effect. It's just fantastic. And then I'm just taking that same shade and doing under my eyes. I'm shading under my eyes. The original plan was to just have a clear under eye, no makeup, but I forgot. And I'm using a darker shade now, and I'm doubling up the color. So this part of the eye makeup process isn't about looking perfect. It's not about the finished look. This part is all about looking a mess, really. It will all come together soon. Believe in yourself. And I'm just taking some of it across the cut crease as well to help all the colors blend in together. And I'm pressing the shadow on so that the pigment is stronger. And now I'm going to cut my crease. And I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Concealer again. And I'm just putting a little bit on my hand because I'm going to use a brush. This brush is also by Real Techniques. And I'm just cutting out half my eyelid, creating a nice little cut crease, halfway cut crease, ready for the sparkly pigment. The color didn't pop half as much on camera as it did in real life. I don't know why. The colors just sort of seem to blend on film. And then I'm just blending together ever so slightly that little bit where the concealer meets the eyeshadow. Just a little bit, just so I didn't have a line. And then I am spraying my brush just with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Now what color you guys think I should use? This one. You should have told me the other one, you guys. Like, come on. I should have gone for the gold sparkly. So I'm just pressing that on my lid. This brush is from Unicorn Cosmetics. And then I'm going in with that blender shade again and just swooping it back and forward between where that line goes. It is creating this gorgeous red, orange, sunset, summer vibe, which I love. Makes my eyes really pop. It makes them look so blue, and it makes the whites look whiter than white. So then I'm dabbing the light gold across the middle, just where the bronzing eyeshadow shade and the sparkly shade meet. I'm just blending it together with that pale gold. That really pops in real life. It's gorge. And then I'm doing my flick. I'm using Clinique. So I've edited it this way just so you guys can see how I do one side, because it does take a long time. I've been doing flicks for so many years. I did flicks in high school. And everyone used to ask me, why do you wear ticks on your eyes? Years ago, they would call them ticks. Like when the teacher would mark your paper with a tick. And I did it because Gwen Stefani did it. And Marilyn Monroe did it. Now it's the fash. And y'all want a piece. So this is my Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes Mascara. I'm going in with that to coat the lashes. And twirling and swirling so I can get a nice curl. Lots of volume. So fluffy. I love this mascara. It's such a good mascara for curling the lashes. Just making sure that I get every lash. You guys know what I'm like. I hate lashes to be left out. What am I going to do next? I don't remember. More blending. Love it. Oh, the hair's down. What do you guys think? I do love the sunset look. Love this palette. You guys have to try it. See how my eyes pop this color? Look, I even kissed the palette, you guys. Like, come on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Mwah!